Crete is renowned for its rich cultural heritage and cuisine. The Cretan Diet in particular, based entirely on the produce from its fertile soil, is widely recognised as one of the healthiest in the world.
If you really want to understand about a region's culinary culture, it's not just about eating the food. You need to understand the provenance of the ingredients and engage with locals. And that's exactly what this Travel Editions Culinary Crete tour is all about.
You only have to visit some of the local markets to appreciate the quality and variety of fruit and vegetables available. But this tour is not just about looking at food, we also got to roll up our sleeves. Our lovely local guide, Sophia, told me more.
Yamas. Cheers to our health.
What a wonderful spread of food here. Tell me about some of the dishes we've got here.
Well, one of the most traditional is the Cretan salad in the middle there. We've got tzatziki here, but yogurt based, dolmades, stuffed tomatoes and peppers, and courgettes, and some artichokes done in the oven. With potatoes.
And obviously fresh seafood is a feature as well as meat, but vegetables really are a strong feature of the cuisine.
Oh, definitely, yes. Right, it's the Cretan diet, it's quite well known, and all is based on olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
The table looks very full, but that is the way it's served. Everything comes together and people share.
Yes, it all sort of starts coming siga siga, as we say, slowly, slowly. We start off with the cold plates, the starters, salad, and then we move on to main dishes, often oven-baked dishes and any fish or meat that might be on the table. And then, of course, at the end, we always have a small glass of tikoudia just to digest it all.
During the week, through our hosts, we got to know many locals, not least at our hotel, the Culinary Beach in Kissamos, very much a family-run business.
So one of the best ways to learn more about Cretan culture is to immerse yourself. And Stelios, one of our local hosts here, has been very kind to take us to his house to explain all about the culture, the way of life, and to meet your lovely mother here.
Yes, it's a happiness for us to have visitors and to show them the way that we live, the way that we grow up, what we eat, what we drink, and how is the future for our kids, everything about our village and our families.
Yeah. And one thing we're learning this week is hospitality revolves around the table. So your mother makes the best lemonade and has given us some lovely biscuits and treats. Yeah. So it's all about the food as well, isn't it?
Yes, for Greeks, you can see, it's, the first thing is about food.
Out and about, we also met some of the local producers. Crete is famous for its aromatic honey production. And with a quarter of the island covered by olive trees, it comes as no surprise that olive oil is referred to as the island's liquid gold. And with our included lunches and dinners, we had endless opportunities to sample the olive oil and that Cretan healthy diet to the full.
Of course, coming to Crete at the very start or end of the season means that it does have a very different feel. And the weather is not quite as stable as it obviously will be in high summer. That said, it does give you the huge advantage that it's not too hot. And because everywhere is so quiet, you really do get a genuine insight into the local way of life without the hordes of tourists. And there's a lot to be said for that.